Hello and welcome back to Curiosity Lounge. The United States Navy recently conducted an historic test of a new laser weapon system. The laser system on the ground was fixed to a passing red drone and fired a high-energy beam that was invisible to the naked eye. Suddenly, a fiery orange glow burned into the drone, smoke spewed from the engine, and parachute was deployed when the aircraft plunged downward, rendered useless by the laser beam. The February demonstration was the first time that the U.S. Navy used high-energy, all-electric high-energy laser weapons to defeat targets representing subsonic cruise missiles in flight. Known as the Layered Laser Defense, or LLD, the weapon was designed and built by Lockheed Martin to serve as a multi-domain, multi-platform demonstration system. It can counter unmanned aerial systems and fast attack boats with a high-power laser, and also use its high-resolution telescope to track inbound air threats, support combat identification, and conduct battle damage assessment of engaged targets. The drone shootdown by the LLD was part of a recent test sponsored by the Office of Naval Research at the U.S. Army's High Energy Laser Systems Test Facility at White Sands Missile Range in New Mexico. The demonstration was a partnership between ONR, the Office of the Under Secretary of Defense Research and Engineering, and Lockheed Martin. Innovative laser systems like the LLD have the potential to redefine the future of naval combat operations, said Chief of Naval Research Rear Admiral Lauren C. Selby. They present transformational capabilities to the fleet, address diverse threats, and provide precision engagements with a deep magazine to complement existing defensive systems and enhance sustained lethality in high-intensity conflict. The LLD testing supports a broader effort by the naval research and development community, partnered closely with the fleet, to mature technologies and field a family of laser weapons that can address multiple threats using a range of escalating options. These capabilities range from non-lethal measures such as optical dazzling and disabling of sensors to destruction of a target. Laser weapons provide the military with new accuracy and attack speed. Lasers also do not rely on traditional fuel or gunpowder-based weapons on board the ship, providing simplified logistics that are safer for the ship and its crew. Instead, modern high-power lasers are powered by electricity, which makes them inherently safe and can provide weapons functionality as long as the ship is powered. This also means the cost per engagement for a laser weapon can be very low, since the only consumable item expended is fuel to run the system. For years, the Department of Defense and all the services have recognized the promise of directed energy weapons such as lasers and continue to prioritize research. Recently, the Undersecretary of Defense for Research and Engineering, the Honorable Heidi Shaiu, reaffirmed that directed energy is one of the DoD's critical technology areas. The Office of the Undersecretary of Defense plays an important role in developing technologies for laser weapons and has fielded demonstration systems for operational experimentation. Notably, in 2014, they saw the laser weapon system tested successfully aboard the USS Ponce in the Persian Gulf. More recently, they fielded the laser weapon system demonstrator aboard the USS Portland in 2021. Although there's no plan to field the LLD, it offers a glimpse into the future of laser weapons. It is compact and powerful, yet more efficient than previous systems. It has specialized optics to observe a target and focus laser beams to maximum effect, while also incorporating artificial intelligence to improve tracking and targeting. LLD is an example of what a very advanced laser system can do to defeat significant threats to naval forces, says David Keel, a former Navy captain who was a program officer in ONR's Aviation, Force Projection, and Integrated Defense Department, which managed the testing. And we have ongoing efforts both at ONR and in other Navy programs to keep building on these results in the near future. During the recent test at White Sands, the LLD tracked or shot down an array of targets, including unmanned fixed-wing aerial vehicles, quadcopters, and high-speed drones representative of subsonic cruise missiles. We're proud to say that the Layered Laser Defense System defeated a surrogate cruise missile threat in partnership with the Navy, White Sands Missile Range, and Army High Energy Laser Systems Test Facility teams. Lockheed Martin drew best-in-class laser weapon subsystems from across the corporation, including key industry partners Rolls-Royce, to support the entire threat engagement timeline from target detection to defeat, said Rick Cordero, Vice President, Lockheed Martin Advanced Product Solutions. We leverage more than 40 years of directed energy experience to create new capabilities that support the 21st century warfighter. Dr. Frank Peterkin, ONR's Directed Energy Portfolio Manager, said, "The Navy performed similar tests during the 1980s, but with chemical-based laser technologies that presented significant logistics barriers for fielding in an operational environment." Well, that's all for today. We hope you enjoyed the video and learned something new. If you did, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel so that you never miss any amazing video from us.